Welcome to Quanta Library Content. To load a company logo for internal display in NetSuite, follow these steps. Go to Documents, Files, File Cabinet. Choose a folder. Click Add File. Upload your logo. The logo has been added to the file cabinet. To set it for internal use, navigate to Setup Company Information. Scroll to the Logo field. Select the file you just uploaded. Make sure that the internal display box is checked. Click Save. Log out and log back in to the account to reflect the changes. The logo has now been changed. And that's how you load a company logo for internal display in NetSuite. And that wraps up this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.